Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another bridal kit. And I showed the video the other day that those kits already sold out. So yeah, I still have many requests for the bridal kit. So I try to make again. And here I have 4 sets here, and some of the item are different because I already run out the item, but I will add another gorgeous item inside the kit. So I show you the lace first. Okay, and this also, yeah, 1 yard you received this, and I'm not sure this received or not. This is one of my hand dye. Okay, and this one also have 14 pieces of these laces here, and this, and the other one, what is the leaf already run out, so I don't have that, and I add some different items in. And this cameo, this, I believe this is the new one that I added in this set here, and and this also the new one. The other day that I show you the video don't have this, and this one have, I think this is the new, and and this one same. Okay, and this also new added is the sequins in ivory color. Okay, and this one, and this also is the new item that I add in. So total is 14, also same, and this one. Okay, all this is the laces. Let me do. All this in the back first, just in case. Okay, all this is applique. Applique also. Not all the kit here is same, but because some items is run out, but I will add the total pieces. Also, and this is the new item, and the old bridal kit doesn't have this. I add these 2 brighter, and this one also new. This one I hand dye one, and this also is the new item. Okay, so, and this, the old kit also have this. Sorry, and these 2, the old kit also have, and this one also have, and let me just show, and this, these 2, and this 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, is one big piece that I show you in the video, the old kit, but because I already cut this in small piece, so I put all here, and I make sure the weight is same, almost, slightly just different, same with the old set, so I just put different small pieces here. And these 2 also, it's different. Okay, I add 2 here, and you have these 2. Everything is beautiful, so This is a very soft pink one, and this here, and the old one, some of you will receive one is this, another one is another pattern, but I already run out, so I put two in this set here, so different here. Okay, so all this is the applique, and here is, if count in pieces, is 24, because the old kit there only have 17, because they have one big applique, and I already no more stock for that, so I add different small piece applique in this, so you get 24 pieces here. So yeah, everything is beautiful, and the flower also, some already is different. So one packet this, the old kit also have this, and the old kit you won't have this flower. The old set kit is the acrylic flower, but this I put this piece beautiful here, and the button I put this one, and instead of the button, because I already don't have. And this tangle also, this one is different, I think. These two is same, so you have 3 tangle, and you have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 organza flower. Yeah, so you have the same one. And these 2 bow tangle, the orchid have. And this piece here, this one is different, but another one is same. This one is different, so of course I just have 3 the one, so I add this beautiful. This is beautiful, and the flower also different, but I make the tassel also this color. And some of the flower I already ran out, and I put this spray here and this spray here, so everything is beautiful. So yeah, who interested, and I already have 3 person request for this, but anyway, I will tag your name who PM me earlier, so just stop by to watch the video. And if you are interested, so please leave your comments and say yeah, you want it, and I will keep this kit for you. If not, I will pass to another person that who interested. Okay, so yeah, I will post the video, and I'm making, you can see I'm making the purple transform kit here that requested by Amanda. And because this is one of the special sales kit, I think it's 2019 or 20, yeah, and Amanda missed out this kit, so she requests me to make this. But yes, most of the item is different, but I will make the dress form. I will make, yes, anyway, just I will post the video soon. I just made just limited quantity, yeah, anyway, oh sorry, interested, yeah, stay tuned for my another video. Okay.